Hey, you on
Get
the
in
CB?
this tractor.
You on the CB?
Yeah. I'm actually going to go take a quick lunch break.
Alright.
Yeah. Fire up in a minute.
Well, he's on his lunch break, so I gotta go. Drive along to north, because I gotta go see the cow. So, I got him. Start her up. Drop cross. Alright. Going in. I'll take this. Still on his break, huh? I'm gonna fire up the tractor for him. Fire her up. No, I'll just hop in here. Just wait for him to fire it up.
Fire this puppy up.
I'm gonna get to work. Oh, you got your tractor running, don't you?
Yeah. Woo! It's cold outside, didn't it? I thought it wouldn't want to start.
Yeah, that's a good cold start.
Whew. 40.
I just fed the cows when I go plow.
Yeah, I'll go. No, I need to go square baling in this row.
Alright. Well, he's square band, so I got. So, I'm gonna do this. Yellow! I'm coming. Oh, he's stuck on the leaves. So we gotta get the front weight, so. Gotta get this front weight on. Alright, let's go get my buddy. Oh, that's a that's a big puppy. It's back up. Alright, he's up there. we go.